If there's one city where taste, tradition, and innovation come together on a plate, it's Rajkot. Let me show you why this city deserves its crown as one of Gujarat's top food destinations. Why I recommend Rajkot for food lovers. Diverse street food scene. From Fafda Jalebi to GJ5 loaded sandwiches. Street food here blends tradition with fun. Authentic Kathiyawadi cuisine. Flavors that pack a punch. Like Sev Tameta no Shaak, Ringan no Olo, and Undhiyu served hot with bajra rotla. Iconic food spots. Times the Grand Thakar, the ultimate Gujarati Thali experience. Times Limda Chowk, Rajkot's breakfast capital. Times Matuki and Jalaram snacks, local favorites for farsan and Kathiyawadi meals. Sweets and snacks galore. From Ghari, Doodhpak and Kesar Penda to street-style ghugra, it's a sweet tooth's paradise. Food that went viral. Rajkot is home to several stalls that broke the internet thanks to food vloggers and YouTubers.